Once we understand the digital transformation is a people change and start from the right level, we are ready to go. Our next challenge is the fair navigation of the change process. We will explore the management of transformation project in the third part. This section is an introduction to a typical transformation project to prepare us for the journey. Digital transformation is a strategic initiative. We cannot transform the organization within a single project. We need a program sponsored by the CEO, coordinated by the CIO, governed by the board. Business champions, leaders passionate about change in their own fields drive the process. However, we need to start somewhere. We need to break down this endeavor into manageable chunks. We structure the program into projects so we can assign tasks and resources and start execution. Projects follow the same roadmap, but they are complete entities themselves. We discuss these projects in this section. Why is it important to understand a single transformation project? We need to break down the program to projects to execute. Projects are key building blocks of the program. Besides, organizations often follow the alternative approach of starting with a single project and develop transformation strategy later. We center each project around one business activity and one support system. If the CIO takes care of the roadmap, the key concern of business leaders will be the project, not the program. The right interpretation of transformation projects is even more crucial when CIOs ignore their responsibility for the roadmap and the transformation strategy. The precondition of sound project definition in digital transformation is the recognition that we deal with the transformation projects. Sponsors need to identify projects as business transformation project. Then they need to set goals and define scope considering the non-technical business focus of transformation projects. Transformation projects start with the understanding of the business model to be introduced during the process. You should have a model ready before selecting the IT solution of your choice. If you have none, or you do not have thorough knowledge about your model, start with a strong study phase. Transformation projects are change projects. Change management has a crucial role in digital transformation. It is not only an integral part of the project. Change management activities must start well before the project and finish last. In transition projects, change management is not a collateral sub-project, but the shell of the project. It prepares, leads, and drives the change. It is not just a tool to dampen resistance and offer aftercare to people affected. The change manager in a transformation project is the business project manager. It is a change project. Project managers shall have a skilled change management expert in their staff, even if they are trained in change management themselves. A dedicated change management team may perform specific tasks, but the entire team handles change. The figure on the screen captures the relation of change management to other project elements. Change management acts like a shell for the transformation project capsule. It goes first and finishes last. Change management mobilizes the organization well before the project initiation. It is also responsible for building and maintaining a guiding coalition for the change. After project completion, change management works on capturing lessons learned and incorporate them into organizational culture. It also works on making the changes stick. Inside the capsule, we find interdependent sub-projects and work streams. Transformation projects are complex. They have components for business process reengineering, IT system implementation, interface definition and development, and training. The project team also needs to support affected members of the organization. They need to look and listen for signs of misunderstanding, inertia, dissent, or opportunities. Who is in charge of a transformation project? Keep in mind that transformation projects are business projects. They have business goals and focus. Success is measured by business satisfaction and business results. Therefore, digital transformation projects shall have a business project manager. When the project involves an IT system implementation sub-project complex enough, the project manager shall have an IT sub-project lead or coordinator in their staff. On the program or transformation strategy level, CIO and the dedicated senior program manager reporting to the CIO shall act as program manager. This program manager is responsible to handle interdependencies between projects. What matters more, the board shall govern the program with C-level executives acting as project sponsors for transformation projects in the areas of their responsibility. Transformation projects entail sweeping change. High-level support for the initiatives is crucial for momentum. Change management activities after project closure are crucial for lasting change. Transformation is not complete when we have systems implemented and users trained. Old habits live on. Inertia can still reset changes. You need professional change management and strong business support to prevent the ball from rolling back from the hill. Formal training for new processes and systems is still part of the transformation project core. Measures to make sure changes last are line management responsibilities. The building block of an organizational digital transformation strategy are transformation projects. Change management encapsulates the transformation project. It breaks the path at start and prevents the ball from rolling back at the end. Strong business project managers are best to lead transformation projects with direct support from IT. CIO shall coordinate on program level with the board governing the transformation program and strategy. In the next part, we discuss the transformation project, the building block of the transformation strategy.